Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing and showing you how to use Born Pretty Solid Cream Nail Gel. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. This Born Pretty Solid Cream Nail Gel comes with 7 different colors in one box. So here I will show you the colors. These colors are very pretty. It's a good combination of colors where you can use it in any different occasions. And it also comes with a professional brush. And now I'm gonna show you how to use Born Pretty Solid Cream Nail Gel Polish. So first apply base coat and then cure for 60 seconds. And then scoop out a small amount of gel with a nail brush and then apply a thin layer of solid cream gel and then cure for 60 seconds. Apply 2 to 3 coats of gel and then cure for 60 seconds. Or you can also design your nails. This gel polish is easy to apply and it is soak off. It allows you to professional or home nail art design. This is also a perfect nail art gift for yourself or for your girlfriend. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out, and don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 or ROSEDIY13 to get 10% off when you shop at Born Pretty official website. Born Pretty Solid Cream Nail Gel is innovative solid gel form with a solid but extra smooth buttery texture. More colors choices will give you the opportunity to create charming and attractive nail arts. When done with the nail art, cure for 60 seconds. Apply top coat and cure for 60 seconds. I love this nail gel because it is very smooth, it is creamy texture, and it is bubble free. It is also 360-degree no leaking, and it comes with a professional brush which makes it easy to apply. And that's it guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.